boss, that's me, but I'm a professional at all things. So, you know,
I'm an asset.
well, David and Barry Plumbing owner, of
David.
course. You know, I bought the van
Yeah.
and all sorts, of course, but
You can't even tie a tie,
no,
to be serious.
I can tie ties. It's done by brilliant. It's done by me. So, do you want to lose pay?
Well, you
Who cares?
You don't even get your clothes ironed, David. So
No, I get these dry cleaned, professionally done. Just creased because you made me lift all the boxes up the stairs on my own.
no,
And sat there
I helped with the boxes.
eating the apple pie.
Would you know?
So who's to blame?
Oh, that was lovely apple pie. That was.
Nah, but
Why are you on the front of the page? Because I should be. Because I'm an
I'm
asset.
the,
as you
that's
say,
why
aren't
I'm on the
I?
page
Image
because
of
I'm the
me on
boss.
page,
Yeah,
it's
my
just you
face.
in the
First
van.
page.
And you look nothing like the
What do you mean I
picture.
look nothing like the picture?
You look well old now.
What do you mean it was years ago? I look exactly the same. Yeah? Alright then. You can bring up the site. See? You know, I run the plumbing side of the business, of course. So
What's going on
What?
there, David? Because
no, I would never waste company money on a gaming chair.
Britannia, Britannia, roll away. Britain never, never, never will be slain.
Most of the work lads go to
David,
the office,
I'm not going to make you one anyway.
drinks after work. Me,
I'm
Barry,
going to make a
Arnold.
coffee because.
We also see
Funny.
Gary there sometimes, but
Do you want one?
now and again nice.